barrel time, guys. It's been a while, but we're back, and we're going to teach you, or not teach you, more or less just show you, mind the cat in the back, how to do a burn barrel, and don't make it overcomplicated and stupid. So, probably be short, but, you know, it's not stupid. So, let's get into this thing here. We just got a regular barrel. It's actually a really nice barrel. A barrel this clean I would generally use for a feed barrel, but it has stuff in the inside of it, and don't necessarily want to use that to put your feed in. But it's pretty simple what we're doing here. One, we don't need it to hold water. So, drill a hole in the bottom. Should be somewhere dead center. This is a 1/2-inch drill bit. And the Milwaukee cordless drill. Pretty handy. I like them now. Now, if you think that's too small, you can always drill another one. But all the water in this is going to run right in the middle. 1/2-inch hole ought to take care of any water that gets in there, for the most part. Now, don't overcomplicate it and cut 1-inch slots all the way down with an angle grinder. You don't need it. We're going to drop you down. All right. Now, to not overcomplicate things, you need air holes. Airflow, you know. So, you know, probably don't want to put it right there because you're going to be drilling straight into the top of the bill. So drop her down a couple inches. Hole. Or you can use a cordless hole puncher or a claw hammer. It don't really matter. 1/2-inch hole. Do it on a couple sides. Be all right. Hopefully you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. And I'm just guessing, guys. It's a burn barrel. It's not supposed to be overcomplicated. It's just supposed to work. And I'm only drilling a few of them. Man, I ran that one straight down in there. So if you if I deem I need more, I will punch another couple in it. You just need airflow. A bigger size bit would probably be better on those, but it'd probably be enough. Tell you what, we'll go ahead and throw another one in it. Throw a few more in it just for giggles. For optimal airflow, we'll call it. But there's too many videos that are overcomplicated. This is like, what, 18, 16 gauge metal. It's going to rust out and burn. That's all you need to do right there. Now, what you want to do with your burn barrel is find a nice flat spot. You see how it didn't roll away? Perfect. You can throw it on the ground. You could put it on some 2x4s. Just don't burn the grass, obviously. Don't cause wildfire. I got a couple old center blocks we're going to throw in here just to set it on. Perfect. Right there. It'll drain out the bottom of it. You can see daylight through there. Well, sort of. You can see all that nasty junk and stuff down in there. And all this black paint, it will eventually go away. Barrels are cheap. You can get empty barrels. Like I said, throw a couple holes in it. Don't cut 1-inch slots in here with an angle grinder and spend hours and hours. It's only going to rust out quicker. It won't last a couple years, maybe a year, 2 years tops maybe. So we got a piece of expanded metal. I go pick this up here. This is some scrap of some stuff. You see that? And then when you're burning and you got all them embers coming up, they're not flying all over the place. They're hitting this and they're dissipating right there. We're gonna throw some stuff in this and then we're gonna light her up. You can kind of check her out. See, that's the fun part about this, is you can start that through these holes. You can hear that stuff. I just got paper in there right now, but it's burning. Here's little sticks and stuff in here. We'll throw those in there. And if that was a really good raging fire, throwing them sticks in there would pop up stuff, but you know, embers, you'd have the expanded metal on there. Let's throw some stuff, more stuff in there, and let's get this thing rolling. I had to run off in the sticks here, try to find stuff. The yard is actually quite picked up right now, for the most part in the general area. There's a stick back there. Throw some stuff in there. We'll liven her up a little bit on this side. Throw your expanded metal over it. There you go. You have a functioning burn barrel. Now, this has a little gap on both sides, but it's not too big of a deal. It will work just fine. The paint will eventually burn clean off this thing, and it'll be nothing but rusty metal. See that? Little bit of flake coming out of it, but not much there. We got a little fire rolling in there. Got some papers in there, stuff like that. Junk mail, but some wood. But yeah, there you have it, folks. No BS. Just a burn barrel. That's all it is. Nothing fancy. I like it. Sorry, it's been a while. Been real busy. We'll show you guys why eventually, here shortly, hopefully sometime soon. But yeah, it's been a busy 3 months. It's been over 3 months, actually, I think, hasn't it? Maybe it has been. No, it's been something like that. It's been 3 months. So we're rolling. Thanks for watching, folks. Remember, don't complicate life. Don't complicate burn barrels. they are temporary in this life, unlike fireplaces. So, hope you guys enjoyed. That is our no mess around burn barrel.